Today, we're diving into 14 of the most powerful Android hacking apps you need to know about in 2026. These are professional tools for ethical hackers and security researchers. Use them only for legal, educational purposes. Unauthorized use is illegal. Let's get started. First up is Termux, a terminal emulator and Linux environment for Android. With Termux, you can install and run Linux-based tools directly on your phone, no root required. Install Python, run scripts, use Git, or even set up a web server, all from your Android device. Security tools like Nmap and Metasploit can be installed right through Termux, making your phone a portable hacking lab. Setup is simple. Install Termux, then use the Pkg package manager to add what you need. There's a huge community and plenty of guides for any tool or workflow you want. For mobile security or development, Termux is essential. It turns your Android phone into a powerful, pocket-sized workstation. Androrat is an Android remote administration tool that gives complete remote control over another Android device, contacts, call logs, messages, location, microphone, and camera. It's a powerful tool, often used for remote device management or to demonstrate vulnerabilities in a controlled environment. But misuse is a serious crime and a violation of privacy. Be aware that apps like this exist. Only install apps from trusted sources and check permissions carefully. Recognizing tools like Androrat is key to protecting your mobile security. Zanti, developed by Zimperium, is a mobile penetration testing toolkit for Android. It lets you connect to a Wi-Fi network and instantly map out all connected devices and their vulnerabilities. The interface is clean and user-friendly, showing device IPs, MAC addresses, open ports, and operating systems. Zanti can simulate cyber attacks like man-in-the-middle, session hijacking, password audits, and vulnerability checks. You can quickly generate security reports for clients by scanning their guest Wi-Fi. Use it only with permission. Unauthorized scanning is illegal. Zanti is for professional security assessments, helping teams find and fix vulnerabilities before attackers do. If you're new to cybersecurity, Hackode is a practical all-in-one toolkit for Android. It combines reconnaissance and scanning tools in a simple interface. You get Google hacking, Whois lookups, IP and DNS reconnaissance, ping, and port scanning, all from your phone. No need for command line skills. Hackode uses a graphical interface for these tasks. For example, you can scan a server in your lab to see which ports are open. This helps you identify running services and potential security issues. Hackode is ideal for beginners who want hands-on experience with basic security tools. It's a safe way to learn the essentials of information gathering in cybersecurity. Csploit is an advanced IT security toolkit for Android, designed for users who want deep control and powerful features. It's open source and integrates tools like Metasploit, letting you scan, find vulnerabilities, and launch exploits directly from your phone. You get access to a large exploit library for active testing. The workflow covers network mapping, host fingerprinting, and exploiting discovered vulnerabilities. Csploit can perform man-in-the-middle attacks, including real-time traffic manipulation. You can replace website content, inject code, or redirect traffic to demonstrate network risks. It also includes session hijacking and password sniffing for common protocols. Csploit is for users with solid networking and security knowledge. Use it only on networks you own or have permission to test. For demonstrating vulnerabilities on mobile, Csploit is a powerful choice. Need to see what's on your network right now? Use Network Mapper. Launch the app, run a scan, and it instantly lists every device on your Wi-Fi. You'll see each device's IP address, MAC address, vendor, and open ports. Quickly spot unknown devices or open ports that could be security risks. The interface is simple and clear, no technical expertise needed. Great for both network admins and home users to check network health and security. Network Mapper, fast, clean, and essential for network discovery. Let's get practical with session hijacking using DroidSheep. Connect your Android device to an open Wi-Fi network, like in a coffee shop. Launch DroidSheep. The app starts capturing web traffic from other devices on the same network. If someone logs into a website without HTTPS, DroidSheep can intercept their session cookie. With one tap, you can use that cookie to access their account, no password needed. This is why you should always use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Only use sites with HTTPS and secure your connection with a VPN to prevent session hijacking. Nmap is the industry standard network scanner, now available natively for Android. You can run the full version through a terminal emulator like Termux, giving you access to all its commands and scripts. Use Nmap for network discovery, security auditing, and detailed port scanning to see which services are open on any system. The Nmap scripting engine lets you automate tasks like service version detection and vulnerability checks. With Nmap on your phone, you can perform in-depth network scans and reconnaissance from anywhere. It delivers the detailed, reliable data needed for professional security work. Mastering Nmap is essential for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Wi-Fi Kill is an Android app that lets you monitor all devices connected to your Wi-Fi network and disconnect any of them instantly. The app works by sending deauthentication packets to selected devices, kicking them off your network. Use it to see which devices are using your bandwidth and disconnect any unrecognized or unwanted ones. If you spot a device you don't recognize, you can remove it immediately to secure your network. You can also disconnect your own devices one by one to identify which one is slowing down your internet. For admins, it's a quick way to disable unauthorized devices on a network. It gives you router-level control directly from your phone. Use Wi-Fi Kill responsibly, only on networks you own or manage, to troubleshoot and secure your Wi-Fi. Want a complete penetration testing environment on your Android device? Use Kali NetHunter. NetHunter is a full Android penetration testing platform maintained by Offensive Security. It runs a CRUD environment with a complete Kali Linux OS on your device. You get over 600 pre-installed security tools, including Metasploit, Burp Suite, Aircrack NG, and John the Ripper. It typically requires a rooted device and a custom kernel, supports external USB Wi-Fi adapters for wireless attacks, can perform HID keyboard injection attacks, enables rogue access points, network sniffing, and VNC sessions into Kali Desktop. For advanced users needing a powerful, flexible mobile pen testing platform, NetHunter is unmatched. Fing is a fast, user-friendly network analysis app that scans your Wi-Fi and shows every connected device. It identifies devices by name, not just MAC or IP addresses, making recognition easy. You'll see labels like Samsung Smart TV or Sarah's iPhone in your device list. Fing includes tools like Internet Speed Test, Port Scanner, Ping, and Traceroute. It can alert you when a new or unknown device joins your network. If you get an alert when you're not home, you know to check for intruders. The Find Open Ports feature checks your router for internet-visible vulnerabilities. Fing empowers anyone to monitor and secure their home network, no technical skills required. For practical network security, Fing is a must-have app for Wi-Fi users. Now, for a tool that's a bit more specialized and under the radar, Interceptor NG. This is another powerful network analysis tool, but it focuses heavily on the interception part of security testing. It's designed for security specialists to sniff network traffic and analyze it for vulnerabilities. It's a bit more raw and technical than some of the other tools, but it provides some very advanced capabilities for those who know what they're doing. Interceptor NG shares some features with tools like Csploit and Xanti, such as session hijacking and ARP spoofing, to position itself as a man in the middle. However, its strength really lies in its analysis features. It can capture and save network traffic in the standard .pcap format, which can then be analyzed in detail using desktop tools like Wireshark. This is crucial for deep-dive forensic analysis of a network breach or for debugging complex network issues. The app claims to have features like SSL stripping, which attempts to downgrade a secure HTTPS connection to an insecure HTTP connection, allowing traffic to be read in plain text. This is a powerful technique for demonstrating the importance of security measures like HSTS or HTTP strict transport security. By showing how a connection can be downgraded, you can make a strong case for implementing better security protocols. Interceptor NG is a tool for the trenches. It's for the security analyst who needs to get their hands dirty with raw network packets. It provides a mobile platform for capturing and analyzing traffic on the fly, which can be incredibly useful during an incident response scenario or a live penetration test. It's another example of a highly specialized, professional tool that showcases the advanced security capabilities of the Android platform. Let's talk about a very specific aspect of Wi-Fi security: WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup. WPS was designed to make it easy for people to connect devices to their router, often by just pushing a button. But a major vulnerability was discovered in the PIN-based method years ago that can allow an attacker to brute force the PIN in a matter of hours. This is where a tool like WPS Connect comes in. WPS Connect is designed specifically to test the security of your Wi-Fi network if it has WPS enabled. The app scans for nearby Wi-Fi networks and checks if they have the WPS protocol active. If it finds one, it can attempt to connect to it using a database of default and known vulnerable WPS pins. It's a very focused tool designed to check for one specific but very common vulnerability. The purpose of this app, from a security perspective, is purely diagnostic. You run it against your own network. If the app is able to connect, it means your router is vulnerable, and a malicious actor could easily do the same thing to gain access to your entire network. The immediate and only correct response is to log into your router's administration panel and disable WPS entirely. It's a feature that offers a tiny bit of convenience in exchange for a huge security risk. Apps like WPS Connect are a double-edged sword. In the hands of an ethical user, they are a valuable tool for auditing security. In the hands of someone else, they are a simple way to break into insecure networks. By showcasing it here, the goal is to raise awareness about the inherent dangers of WPS. Check your router, run a test on your own network, and if it's vulnerable, disable WPS immediately. It's a simple step that can dramatically improve your network security. Last but not least, let's look at something that, well, kind of flips the script. Instead of using your phone to connect to other things, SSH Droid allows other things to connect securely to your phone. SSH Droid is a simple but powerful application that turns your Android device into a full-fledged SSH, or secure shell server. This is a fundamental tool for secure remote administration and file transfer. So why would you want to do this? For developers and IT professionals, the use cases are endless. With an SSH server running on your phone, you can securely access its command line from any computer on the same network, or over the internet if you configure it. This is incredibly powerful when combined with a tool like Termux. You can be sitting at your laptop and have a secure terminal session open to your phone, allowing you to run scripts, manage files, and monitor processes. Another key feature is secure file transfer using SFTP or SCP. This means you can easily and securely move files between your computer and your phone without needing a USB cable or relying on cloud services. You can quickly pull log files off your phone for analysis or push new scripts and tools onto it. It essentially makes your phone a fully integrated part of your development and administration workflow. SSH Droid is all about secure, remote access, and control. It's a tool that enhances productivity and enables powerful workflows for technical users. It's not a hacking tool in the traditional sense, but it's a core part of a security professional's toolkit. The ability to securely access and manage your mobile testing device from a proper keyboard and screen is a massive quality of life improvement and a necessity for any serious work. It's a simple, stable, and incredibly useful utility. Here are 14 powerful Android apps that push the boundaries of mobile cybersecurity. With tools like Termux and Kali NetHunter, your phone becomes a portable cybersecurity workstation. These apps cover network scanning, vulnerability analysis, and remote administration. They're designed for ethical hacking and strengthening digital defenses. Use these tools responsibly and legally. Never use them for unauthorized or illegal activities. Unauthorized access is a crime. Stay informed. Knowledge is your best defense. Subscribe for more on technology and cybersecurity. Thanks for watching.